Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot gallery app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you can't access your photos or videos because gallery app is not responding, it is not opening, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. This also entails if your gallery keeps on stopping. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do this on this Google Gallery app. To troubleshoot the app, you need to access the app info page for you to fix this. To do that, go to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Here, search for your app by name, and here we go, we have our Google Gallery here. If you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. First, for stop the app, to stop any background activities that might be causing the issue, then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted it, go to your app, and now if you open your gallery app, it should be up and working without any issue. But should this not fix your problem, then you need to go to Google Play Store and search for gallery app. Here we want to see if we have any updates. So if I tap on gallery here, for my case I don't have any update, but should you have one, go ahead and update it to the latest version. However, even after updating, should your app still crash, for that it means your app might contain bugs. To fix that, you need to uninstall your gallery app and then install it afresh. Now if you open your gallery app, it should be working without any issue. So that's how you troubleshoot your gallery app. As you can see, now I'm able to access photos and videos from my gallery. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.